Fourth classification of the acid depend on their composition. On the basis of the composition, acids are again classified into two categories. First is hydroacids. Compound which contain hydrogen and non-metallic element. Non-metallic element are termed as hydroacids. For example, HCl. It contains hydrogen and non-metallic element Cl. Therefore, HCl is a hydroacid. HBr. It contains hydrogen and non-metallic element Br. Similarly, HI, HF. These all are called hydroacids on the basis of their composition. And the second of oxyacids. Compound which contain oxygen with hydrogen called oxyacids. For example, H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. It's an example of oxyacids since it contains hydrogen and oxygen both. Similarly, phosphoric acid, that is H3PO4, it is also called oxyacids. Sulfurous acid, that is H2SO3, is also called oxyacids. Now next classification of the acid depend on their basicity. The fifth classification of the acid depend on their basicity. First, we will discuss what is the meaning of basicity. The number of hydronium ions that can be produced by the ionization of one molecule of that acid in aqueous solution is called basicity. For example, HCl. It gives only one H plus. H2SO4, it gives 2H plus. So, on the basis of basicity, we can again classify the acids into following categories. First is monobasic acid. Acids which on ionization in water produce only one hydronium ion per molecule of the acid are known as monobasic acid. For example, HCl on ionization it gives only one hydronium ion, that is H3O plus. HBr and dissolve in H2O, it gives only one hydronium ion, that is H3O plus, and anion of the acid, that is Br negative. Here is the most important note is that Monobasic acid produce only normal salt. Produce only normal salt. For example, HCl plus NaOH, it gives a salt NaCl plus H2O. Here is the salt NaCl are termed as normal salt, and normal salt means salt which neither contain H plus nor contain OH negative. And second is dibasic acid. Dibasic acids which on ionization in water produce 2 hydronium ions per molecule of the acid are known as dibasic acid. For example, H2SO4, it gives HSO4 negative, that is the anion of acid, plus hydronium ion H3O plus in the first step. In the second step, HSO4 negative, that is the anion of acid, again ionized and gives a sulfate ion plus hydronium ion. So we can simply say that H2SO4 gives 2 hydronium ions. Similarly, carbonic acid H2CO3 plus H2O, it gives again in the first step HCO3 minus, that is bicarbonate, plus hydronium ion H3O plus, and in the second step bicarbonate ion again gives one more hydronium ion CO3 minus 2 plus H3O plus. Here is the most important note is dibasic acid form acidic salt and normal salt both. According to the ionization of H2SO4, when H2SO4 react with only 1 mole of sodium hydroxide NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, produces sodium hydrogen sulfate NaHSO4 plus H3O positive. Here is the sodium hydrogen sulfate is also termed as acidic salt, since it contains H. And in the second step, sodium hydrogen sulfate again react with next mole of sodium hydroxide and produce sodium sulfate, that is Na2SO4 plus H3O plus. Here is the salt sodium sulfate are termed as normal salt. So we can simply say that basicity of the H2SO4 is 2.